I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Hello again, I'm Kip from Kip Does Stuff. Today we're going to build something different and weird. An ant farm. I have to fill this up with dirt and put ants in it, but it's ready to go. So let's see what it took to build this. Okay, we're going to start with the glass. It's about 10.5 inches high. And we're going to cut it in half at about 14 inches. We did it. Okay, the first cut we're going to make is at 10 inches. Okay, from there we'll move to the table saw. I want to take off the rounded edges on these 2x4s and make a couple cuts. Okay, I'm going to use a squared edge and I'm going to make 2 cuts at 1.5 inches. And now I'll make 2 cuts at 1 inch. Okay, I rough cut another part for the top and bottoms, and I'll also cut them at 1 inch in width. Okay, I've reset the blade so it's just sticking out of the table about a tooth height, and it's 1.25 inches from the fence to the blade. And that'll be the beginning of placing the glass. I've narrowed the cut slightly, and we'll make one more pass to accept the glass. Okay, now I'm going to glue the glass into the frames itself. I've cut the sides short so the glass will overlap on each side, and I'll use the bottom to line it up. Okay, next we'll glue on the bottom. Slide it up on here and we'll clamp it in place. And then we'll put some hot glue on it, just for good measure. Okay, let's do a little sanding before we start assembling the top. Okay, after a little light sanding, got the whole frame held together with a clamp, and now I'm going to install a hinge on one side. And now we can open our ant farm to add the dirt, water, or food, or more ants. Now we'll put a clasp on this end. Okay, I'm going to use this simple clasp that flips up and down to hold it shut. It's got some really teeny tiny nails that I won't make you watch me struggle putting them in. I'll be back in a minute. And there we go. We've got our clasp on. Tight enough. Opens, closed. And there it is. Now we'll build a base for it. Okay, the base will be simple enough. We'll just measure it 18 inches wide or long. Okay, back over the table saw, take the rounded edges off, and then cut it 3 inches wide. Okay, now we'll just add a simple decorative edge all around the top edge using our rubber table. Now I'll drill 2 holes to the bottom of the base to hold on the main ant farm. Okay, I've got the ant farm resting on a piece of 3/4 inch plywood since the overhang is 3/4 inch on each side all the way around. Now I'll try to make a couple marks with the screw and then drill it out later. I've also made a counter bore on the bottom of this, so the screw will go through just slightly further. Okay, so there it is. There's the ant farm. And open up here, put the dirt inside, add my ants a little bit of food, and we'll be good to go. Thanks for watching.